Microfiber cleaning cloths are a must-have for any cleaning enthusiast. These high-performance cloths are made from a blend of polyester and polyamide, offering exceptional absorbency, softness, and durability. They are perfect for cleaning a variety of surfaces, including glass, electronics, and automotive detailing. There are many products available to choose microfiber cleaning cloth, each with different characteristics. To help you make a perfect decision, I did deep research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best microfiber cleaning cloth from reputable brands. After much study, I discovered these products are a lot helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Idea Microfiber Cleaning Cloth for Car. Idea Microfiber Cleaning Cloths. Your versatile cleaning solution. Looking for a cleaning cloth that can handle all your household and automotive tasks? Look no further than Idea's premium microfiber cleaning cloths. Crafted from a blend of 87% polyester and 13% polyamide, these cloths offer exceptional absorbency, softness, and durability. Why choose Idea Microfiber cloths? Superior cleaning performance. The ultra-soft and lint-free material ensures a streak-free and scratch-free clean on all surfaces, from delicate electronics to tough automotive exteriors. Long-lasting durability. These reusable cloths can be washed hundreds of times without losing their effectiveness, making them a cost-effective and eco-friendly choice. Versatile applications. Whether you're cleaning your kitchen countertops, bathroom tiles, or car windows, Idea Microfiber cloths can handle it all. Easy care. Simply machine wash with warm water, and they'll be ready for your next cleaning task. Their quick-drying properties help prevent mold and mildew growth. Experience the power of Idea Microfiber cleaning cloths and discover a new level of convenience and efficiency in your cleaning routine. Number 2. Grade Premium Microfiber Towel. Chemical Guys Premium Microfiber Towels. The ultimate detailing tool. Are you looking for a microfiber towel that can handle all your detailing needs without scratching your precious paintwork? Look no further than Chemical Guys Premium Microfiber Towels. These high-quality towels are designed to provide a gentle yet effective cleaning experience. Key features and benefits. Ultra-soft microfiber. The soft, plush texture of these towels is perfect for final touch wiping, ensuring a swirl-free finish. Dual weave design. The versatile dual weave design allows you to tackle both wet and dry detailing tasks with ease. Use the high pile side for soaking up liquids, and the short pile side for buffing and polishing. Silk banded edges. The premium silk banded edges minimize the risk of scratching delicate surfaces, especially along the edges of your vehicle. Versatile applications. These towels are suitable for a wide range of detailing tasks, including washing, drying, waxing, and polishing. With Chemical Guys Premium Microfiber Towels, you can be confident that your vehicle is receiving the highest quality care. Invest in these exceptional towels and experience the difference for yourself. Number 3. MIC 110012 Grade Premium Microfiber Towels. Chemical Guys Premium Microfiber Towels. The ultimate detailing essential. Looking for a microfiber towel that can deliver a flawless finish without scratching your vehicle's paintwork? Look no further than Chemical Guys Premium Microfiber Towels. These high-quality towels are designed to provide a gentle yet effective cleaning experience. Key features and benefits. Superior cleaning performance. The ultra-soft, lint-free microfiber material ensures a swirl-free and scratch-free clean on all surfaces. Versatility. The dual weave design allows you to tackle both wet and dry detailing tasks with ease. Use the high pile side for soaking up liquids, and the short pile side for buffing and polishing. Premium quality. The silk banded edges minimize the risk of scratching delicate surfaces, providing a luxurious and protective cleaning experience. With Chemical Guys Premium Microfiber Towels, you can be confident that your vehicle is receiving the best possible care. Invest in these exceptional towels and experience the difference for yourself. Number 4. Home Cell Microfiber Cleaning Cloth. Microfiber cleaning cloths. Your versatile cleaning solution. Looking for a cleaning cloth that can tackle a variety of tasks without scratching surfaces or leaving behind streaks? Look no further than our premium microfiber cleaning cloths. Key features and benefits. Superior cleaning performance. The microfiber material is highly absorbent, making it ideal for removing dirt, dust, and stains from various surfaces. Gentle on surfaces. Our soft microfiber cloths won't scratch or damage delicate materials, ensuring your belongings remain pristine. Super absorbent. Whether you're cleaning up spills or drying your car, these cloths can quickly and efficiently soak up moisture. Versatile applications. From home cleaning to car care, our microfiber cloths are suitable for a wide range of tasks. Experience the power of our microfiber cleaning cloths and discover a new level of convenience and efficiency in your cleaning routine. Number 5. Edgeless Microfiber Towels for Cars. Mighty Cleaner Microfiber Car Drying Towels. Your ultimate car care essential. Are you tired of using scratchy towels on your precious vehicle? Look no further than Mighty Cleaner's plush microfiber car drying towels. These premium towels are designed to provide a gentle yet effective cleaning experience without compromising on performance. Ultra soft and scratch-free. The soft, seamless design of these towels ensures a swirl-free finish without damaging your car's paintwork. Exceptional absorbency. The microfiber material quickly and efficiently absorbs water, leaving your car streak-free and shiny. Edgeless design. Unlike other towels with stiff seams, Mighty Cleaner towels feature a double-sided scratch-free design, providing a safe and gentle cleaning experience. Convenient size. The compact 12x12 size makes these towels easy to store in your car's glove compartment or armrest, ensuring they're always readily available. With Mighty Cleaner microfiber car drying towels, you can be confident that your vehicle is receiving the best possible care. Invest in these premium towels and experience the difference for yourself. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you want greater information or in case you need to realize product price, do check out my description. For any type of hassle, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products, as it will make your life much easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.